In this video, I will show you how to transfer your Facebook information. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Open Facebook app, tap on the three lines icon. Next, tap the gear icon. Scroll down until you see your information. Now, tap transfer a copy of your information. Tap next. Now choose what types of information you want to transfer, and it will display the services to which you can transfer your information. For example, if you want to download photos and videos, you can select Google Photos. Scroll down and tap Next. Now connect your Google Photos. Tap Connect. And select a Google account. Scroll down and tap Continue. Now tap Confirm Transfer. Enter your password and tap Continue. The transfer process will begin. When it ends, you will see the information in your Google Photos. That's it. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like. It helps me. Thank you.